Hello, in front of me I have Haylou GST watch, and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this device. To force restart this device, simply press and hold the side button and keep holding it until you see the Haylou logo on the screen. It takes about 10 seconds, I believe. So let's press and hold the side button. Once you see the Haylou logo on the screen, you can release the button, and after a second or two, the watch will reboot, as you can see. And that's how you force restart this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.